Top U.S. Lawyer YouTubers 2024. As we set out into 2024, I thought it would be interesting to identify who are some of the top U.S. lawyer YouTubers and see what other lawyers and professionals might learn from these individuals who are clearly succeeding in harnessing the commercial power that YouTube offers. This is not a scientific identification as to who the most successful attorney YouTubers are, and makes no attempt to determine who is profiting the most from the use of YouTube to augment their legal practice. Given that a particular YouTube video might only generate 20 views, yet one of those viewers might be a new client that has a multi-million-dollar case, such that this particular video generates millions of dollars in legal fees, even though it only had a mere 20 views. Instead, we have selected the attorney YouTubers on the basis of some more identifiable metrics, namely subscriber counts and view counts, as well as looking at a range of practice areas and emphasis in the lawyers' YouTube channels. As such, we necessarily need to start with litigation lawyer Devin Stone's YouTube channel, Legal Eagle, which presently has over 3 million subscribers and 750 million video views. Devin is a trial lawyer focusing on civil litigation, a graduate of UCLA and the University of California, Los Angeles School of Law. He is also an adjunct law professor at Georgetown Law in Washington, D.C. Based on his professional website, as a trial lawyer and litigator, Devin is responsible for successful trial verdicts and settlements valued at more than $300 million. As Devin expounds on his YouTube channel, quote, "Do you want to know how your legal system works? You've come to the right place. Legal Eagle is all about giving you an insider's view to the legal system. Have some fun and learn to think like a lawyer," end quote. His videos provide an insight into the law from popular angles, including movies, television shows, and current events, including much talked about trials and current affairs. His most popular videos are in fact several years old and involve Devin providing his perspective on popular legal dramas and movie and television shows that have a legal element, such as Suits, Better Call Saul, Grey's Anatomy, My Cousin Vinny, South Park, and Legally Blonde, to name a few. What is particularly revealing is how these videos have continued to rack up views over time, such that even though his more recent videos get significant view counts, it is a traction over time that is of greatest significance from an analytical perspective. The Legal Eagle videos are entertaining and informative. However, unlike other attorney YouTubers, the videos tend not to tackle specific legal concepts or legal problems that an individual or business might encounter. And for that very reason, they are that much more popular with viewers at large, as they don't demand a legal problem, but instead brings out the amateur lawyer in the regular person, as the videos are either tackling fictional legal scenarios in the entertainment sphere or addressing current news topics and their particular legal angles. As such, it makes for some very interesting and highly popular YouTube videos. For as Devin states, Legal Eagle's mission is to break down the laws and legal issues that surround our everyday lives and bring legal literacy to the masses. We proceed now to criminal lawyer Bruce Rivers, whose YouTube video channel, CLR Bruce Rivers, has over 1 million subscribers and has surpassed 250 million views. Bruce is a criminal defense and personal injury attorney operating his Minneapolis, Minnesota legal practice, the Rivers Law Firm, having graduated from William Mitchell College of Law in St. Paul, Minnesota. Bruce's videos provide his legal perspective on current topics of news interest, including everything from weird or quirky criminal activities that people have been arrested for to the legal issues of politicians and celebrities. With several 100,000 views per video, Bruce has been making himself highly visible in criminal defense realm, but also to prospective clients in need of personal injury legal representation. When one considers Bruce's legal practice, which consists of 1. Criminal defense, such as breaking down criminal law matters, has a natural affinity with individuals who are drawn into criminal proceedings and have need of a legal defense, and 2. Personal injury, which is focused upon victims of singular tragic events, which are unpredictable and never planned. It makes a lot of sense from a client attainment perspective. His videos are putting himself and his law firm in front of an ever-growing audience and making him known as a lawyer who's willing to engage and look into legal matters of all shapes and sizes, and people who are very rarely with a lawyer, which can be highly effective means to attaining these one-off personal injury cases that can be highly lucrative or requiring a very particular approach to attaining such legal work. We proceed now to Paul Rabileau's YouTube channel, America's Estate Planning Lawyers, which is fast approaching the 300,000 subscriber mark and has in the range of 25 million views. Paul's legal practice is focused on estate planning, having attained his law degree and master's in tax law from Boston University's School of Law, and establishing America's Estate Planning Lawyers, which is his network of delivering estate planning legal services, through which he and his legal colleagues provide estate planning services across the United States. Paul's videos are specifically focused upon highly particular aspects of estate planning and legal, financial, and tax aspects associated with estate planning, such that his audience sees him as the legal authority in his field, and he doesn't need to profess how good he is. By the sheer volume of videos he narrates on this legal topic, no one can really question his knowledge and expertise in the field, and this gives him professional credence with his audience and invariably drives an enormous amount of estate planning business his way. What I personally like about Paul's videos is that he is direct and to the point, unafraid to tackle difficult legal issues and legal questions related to estate planning, with such topics as: exclude these from your will, 12 dumb mistakes executors make, should you leave a estranged child $1, among others. Returning to criminal law, we look towards criminal attorney Larry Foreman, whose YouTube moniker is the DUI Guy Plus, which has over 350,000 YouTube subscribers and fast approaching 250 million views. Larry is the managing partner of Foreman Associates, a criminal law firm in Louisville, Kentucky, and a graduate of the University of Louisville, Louis D. Brandeis School of Law. Many of Larry's videos are in fact his personal courtroom exploits, such as watch a DUI attorney flawlessly dismantle a suspected coach police officer for the prosecution, and watch a cop get pulverized in court. He cross-examines the arresting officer and provides the courtroom video footage on his YouTube channel. Given his access to courtroom footage in the state of Kentucky, you get real-life law and order on Larry's YouTube channel, which one would expect has not made him the most popular person with law enforcement, as many of these police officers have had their disastrous cross-examinations viewed millions of times over. Larry also provides informative videos that provides legal insights and experience on key criminal issues of highly practical significance, such as why you should always refuse all breath and blood tests and field sobriety tests in Kentucky, and never plead guilty, always fight your DUI case with a trial lawyer. Meanwhile, Larry's YouTube homepage video, want more cash when you get in a crash? Go to the car crash guy, has generated over 21 million views in its first year of posting, showing how significant a promo video can be in generating audience viewership. We now proceed to a leading real estate lawyer YouTuber, Tiffany Weber, who operates the Real Estate Lawyer YouTube channel, having over 10,000 subscribers and nearly 1 million views. Tiffany is a partner of the North Carolina law firm of Thomas & Weber, having taken the highly commendable approach of completing her law degree at the Charlotte School of Law at night while working at a global corporation. Tiffany's YouTube videos represent a combination of real estate and real estate law videos, together with videos that share her unique perspective as a lawyer on a variety of topics and newsworthy situations that are of interest to Tiffany. It's an audience that is properly aligned to growing her YouTube channel and building her legal clientele, which not only provides people contemplating a real estate transaction, but also the real estate agents that are at the center of these deals, with a particular emphasis on the young up-and-coming real estate agents who are more likely to be in need of forging a relationship with a real estate lawyer than their more senior counterparts. Finally, we look at Jim Hacking's Hacking Immigration Law YouTube channel, which has some 75,000 subscribers and over 14 million views. Jim founded and operates Hacking Immigration Law, LLC, which is focused on immigration law, not surprisingly, and is a law school graduate of the St. Louis University School of Law. Jim's videos cover the gamut of immigration law topics and commonly asked immigration questions, which he invariably gets in his professional practice. The sheer practicality of his video topics is crucial to his attraction, as his audience is looking for every possible insight to improve their personal immigration situation and improve their chances of gaining their desired access to the United States of America. What I do find particularly fascinating is Jim's most popular video, with over 500,000 views to date, which is entitled 5 Mistakes Not to Make at Your Immigration Interview. Although the thumbnail has a typo in the title of 5 interviewer view mistakes, which is clearly not dissuading people from viewing that particular video and attaining Jim's professional insights to help better succeed at their immigration interviews, with the content of the video itself being extremely solid. Hopefully, by presenting these top lawyer YouTubers to yourself, we have provided some insight and direction as to how you too might increase and improve your performance as a YouTuber on the internet. Thank you.